This is my Harbor Freight 12-speed bench drill press, and it's got a problem. It bogs down, stops whenever I'm drilling something more than just a little hole in a piece of wood. I'm drilling through some metal, it'll just stop, and you can see I can stop it by holding it just like that. So I have a solution to this. I'm sure, don't try this at home, whatever other disclaimers I have to put. Now the way I have this configured right now is the second belt is on the lowest pulley and the primary belt is here. So my solution, which I'm sure people won't like, is just basically to pop the belt up one like that. Now, I'm sure this is going to wear out my belt quicker than it's supposed to. I'm sure it's not good for any number of things. The proper solution is probably to move the engine back, or sorry, the motor back a little bit, but I'm not going to do that right now. This little tack trick has saved me tons of frustration, and honestly, it saved me from having to go buy a new drill press. I'm not going to try what I was doing earlier and squeeze that thing, because that thing isn't stopping for me no matter what. Hope this helps. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll try and come up with some other quick, easy hacks to save you time and money.